Renee, hope you're well. Clubhouse day, you in?
Yeah, I'll be on later.
Awesome. See you then. Later. Susan, today, Clubhouse?
Today, Clubhouse, yes, later in the evening when I am done working.
Awesome. I'll see you there. Thanks. Fabien, we getting on Clubhouse today?
Oh, definitely. I've been on it already since 6 this morning.
Awesome. I'll see you there. Let's go.
See you.
Oh, sorry. Hello. Welcome back to Exotic Wine Travel. I am your host, Matthew Horkey. Stick around because we're going to be giving away 3 bottles of wine. But first, I want to talk about the app that's going crazy. I'm just going to say it right now. I am obsessed with Clubhouse, the latest social media audio app. For those of you who don't know, it's an invite-only app. Right now, it's only on Apple iOS. I think they're going to release it for Android soon. But the easiest way to describe it to people, think about this humongous conference where you go into the convention center, you walk in, you see a list of the topics, the different rooms, panels of speakers that are available, and you could just pop in and out to listen really quickly. Do you like the topic? Then you can jump out, or you can sit down in the audience, or if you find a room that you really like, you can raise your hand, go up on stage, interact with the other speakers and the people in the crowd. That is what Clubhouse is, and it's audio only. So it's really cool. You don't have to show your face. You just click on it, you talk a little bit. But this app is special for people like me. I'm kind of stuck. I can't travel like I used to. You don't have as many interactions with people. Clubhouse lets you do that. You get interaction with people, and because it's voice only, you hear their inflection, their intonation. You can feel when people are being really genuine, when you make a real connection, when people have a problem, when you've actually helped somebody. And I feel like, this video is not sponsored by Clubhouse. And I know there's a lot of criticisms, a lot of scammers in some of the rooms. It's so funny. I was in an angel investing room once, and then some Nigerian guy came on and tried to pitch his fintech company, and it was so funny. The whole room got awkward and quiet really quick. Maybe the guy was for real, maybe it wasn't. It was just, a little bit funny. I think this app, though, is perfect for the wine world. It really democratizes and breaks down wine. I've led several rooms, and I'm shocked by the variety of people that come in, be it experts, wine writers, bloggers, maybe Instagrammers, or even casual people that know nothing about wine. Stick around. We have interactions with them. And since it's a brand new app, it's the start of something, kind of like the start of Facebook. So everybody is very polite, is very friendly, wants to know more. Wine, especially wine media, some high-end sommeliers, collectors, always aren't the friendliest people. I'm generalizing here, especially, if you're a new consumer trying to get into wine, it can be super intimidating. I think this app takes down all the barriers. I mean, we had a call with Mattia Gravner, one of the proprietors of Gravner and Friuli Venezia Giulia, and everybody was asking her all these questions. It was just incredible. The connections that you're being made, some people that I've read before, I've watched their content before, now I'm actually talking to them in person. And since everybody's trying to build a platform for themselves now, there's so much information, sharing, learning out there that's free. It's interesting right now because it's a land grab. Everybody's trying to grab some real estate. The diverse variety of different topics and rooms that are out there. I mean, I woke up at 7 or 8 this morning and I jumped on a video production room with video creators, videographers, people working in commercials, different production in Los Angeles and Hollywood. And when I said I was intimidated, embarrassed to be in the room because of my skills, the moderator stopped and said, "Do not be intimidated. All of us were there at one point." The moderator then said, "I even started on a Nikon Coolpix." You never, ever hear that from wine professionals. It's really also helped me polish some of my speaking skills again. Things I haven't worked on since I was speaking in my previous career. Learning how to be a better moderator, a better listener, more welcoming. In fact, I was moderating a room the other day and trying to keep the conversations going. And one wine Instagrammer sent me the the most heartwarming message. This is from the Instagram account Wine Adventures with 2 S's. He said I could use this. I'll put his Instagram handle right up there in the description box below. This was after a room that went for over 9.5 hours of people sharing opinions and ideas. He said, "Hey Matt, sorry to leave the room quickly, but I had to say bye. Since there was a nice discussion going, I didn't want to interrupt. Thanks again for your tips, and also pass my message to Paul and the other guys there. I really appreciate the humble way you guys talk to everyone and a very polite way you listen to all opinions about wine. In Italy, sometimes I've been facing a race who knows the most while forgetting the real and first purpose of wine, sharing moments. So aside from the great value, all the comments add to my wine knowledge, and I'm really happy about the way everyone's talking about wine. And I love the message you guys are underlining. There's no shame to say that I don't know." Very heartwarming. I mean, that's real stuff. We're going to be doing a wine giveaway. That's right, a wine giveaway. Those of you that watch the show know that I love Sangiovese. It's a grape that always makes wines I've enjoyed. My palate's changed throughout the years. I've never run away from Sangiovese. I think it was my first love when it came to a great red wine, and I think it's the love that I'll stick with forever, and I'm so glad that I get the chance to share Sangiovese with the lucky winner. The winner is going to take home 3 bottles from Avignonesi. I want to thank them for being a part of this giveaway. And not only 3 bottles, 3 great bottles of wine. This is open to the US, UK, and European Union residents. By the way, this is not affiliated with YouTube or Instagram, where we're actually going to be posting the details. This is not sponsored or endorsed by them. It's just through Avignonesi. The winner's going to be getting this, a bottle of the 2016 Vino Nobile di Montepulciano, which is 100% Sangiovese, 100% biodynamically grown, organically grown grapes. They're also going to get the single vineyard 2016 Poggetto di Sopra Nobile di Montepulciano 2016. These wines are both extraordinary. 2016 was a killer vintage in Tuscany. And they're also going to be getting, maybe you won't be getting this actual bottle because it's half drank, because I like it so much. But you're also going to be getting the legendary Santo from Avignonesi. This is the Occhio di Pernice Santo di Montepulciano 2005. Comes in a 100 milliliter bottle because this wine is super rare. This is a sweet dessert wine. Some vintages of this wine have received 100 points from Robert Parker's The Wine Advocate. So I wish you all the best of luck. Again, instructions are down below in this description box. The contest starts today and ends on Sunday, the 21st of February. Keep in mind that you must be of age in the USA, UK, and EU to win. I hope I see you on Clubhouse. Like I said, just follow me at XO Wine Travel. Some of my friends there in the beginning, I'll be putting their handles in the description box below. I hope you keep drinking adventurously, expanding that palate, expanding that mind, and you know what? I'm gonna see you at the next episode.
Hello, thanks for watching.
Hey, you made it to the end. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell so you know when new videos are out. If you like content like this, check out our Patreon page where you get some behind the scenes exclusive content. Thanks for watching. Cheers.
Cheers.